Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the printer on a grounded anti-static mat. Open the media cover. Remove the electronics cover mounting screw. Close the media door. Remove the 3 electronics cover mounting screws. Lift off the electronics cover. Loosen the locking screw on the main drive belt tensioner. Move the main drive belt tensioner, then tighten the locking screw. Slide the main drive belt out. Loosen, but do not remove, the screw in the Platen pulley assembly. Remove the Platen pulley. Open the media door. Open the printhead. Loosen the screw holding the Platen bearing retainer. Remove the upper Platen roller from the printer. Insert the new Platen roller through the mounting hole. Align the bearings with the mounting hole in the main frame and the side plate. Insert the bearing retainer over the bearing. Slightly tighten the mounting washer and screw, but do not fully tighten. Close the printhead while aligning the locator pin in the bearing retainer. Tighten the bearing retainer mounting screw. On the electronic side, reinstall the upper Platen roller pulley. Tighten the pulley mounting screw. Reinstall the main drive belt. Make sure the belt is on the inside part of the idler pulley. Loosen the rewind tensioner screw. Tighten the locking screw on the main drive belt tensioner. Rotate the belt several times to seat the belt on all of the pulleys. Reinstall the electronics cover. From the media side, install the electronics cover mounting screw. Close the media door. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer.